How to pair up the FG07FS Bluetooth headphones and connect them to an iPhone with iOS 16 or 17. And let's get started. You'll first want to make sure these have some battery life in them and also make sure they're currently in the off state. Okay, so make sure they're turned off. And before continuing with the headphones, let's dive into the iPhone itself. So you're going to look for the settings icon on your iPhone. So it would be this one right here. And once in the main settings section, you'll look for your Bluetooth. And you want to make sure your Bluetooth is now turned on, okay? So once that's turned on, it's going to start searching for nearby devices. So with that said and done, on the FG07 headphones here, you'll notice that there is a button right here in the middle that has that little icon right there, the on and off button, okay? So you're gonna hold down that button while the headphones is off. So make sure they're off, and then you'll see these two holes right there, which will have a light indicator. So hold this down for at least 3 seconds and then let it go. Here we go, count now, 1, 2, 3, okay? And then let it go. You'll hear that tone sound, and then you'll notice it's gonna start blinking in a blue-red light right there, okay? That's the pairing mode for these headphones. And now that they're in that pairing mode state, just wait for them to show up on your iPhone, okay? So just give it a few seconds. And if they don't show up right away, just turn off the Bluetooth settings and turn it back on. You'll see it right here, FG07S. It's happened that one time. They're gonna run that connection for you, and then it'll tell you connected. So just give it a few seconds. The first time may take a few seconds longer than usual. Just wait a while. And there you go. It's going to say it's connected. It'll bring up the volume here. You'll see it's like this here. You can tap on the I in the circle right there, taking you to here, just to give you an idea of the name and all that stuff. All right, so like and sub.